everyone! As you know, one of the most trending directions in the crypto space is artificial intelligence technology. It's being integrated almost everywhere, and the projects that deliver truly unique AI-based solutions bring their investors an enormous amount of access. The AI trend has been going on for quite a long time, but not every project shows strong growth, and even in this field, it's extremely important to look for genuinely advanced projects that bring something new to the market. If you follow my channel, then you've probably already watched one of my previous videos where I talked about a platform called Snitch.AI, more specifically about the products it offers and why they will definitely be relevant for the community. One of the key points in that video was the fact that Snitch is currently holding a pre-sale of its own token, DSNT, which will be considered the main asset in the ecosystem, since without it, we won't be able to access the AI products. In the previous video, I explained the DSNT utility in detail and why the token has a truly high potential for growth. And today, I want to dive deeper into this topic and go through the reasons why this presale may become one of the best in 2025. First of all, let's remember what exactly this platform offers us. Snitch is a whole suite of AI tools that provides access to complete blockchain analytics and automated data processing. On top of that, the Snitch agents are designed in a way that each one performs specific functions and assists us at different stages of trading. Here, you can monitor the market more closely, receive hidden signals, and even evaluate projects for risk or potential scams. The DSNT token fits perfectly into this entire infrastructure. First and foremost, the team made it so that access to the agents will be available only to token holders, which is much more beneficial than simply purchasing a subscription. Another important advantage is the ability to earn passive income in DSNT. The project doesn't require us to just hold the token in our wallet. We can stake our DSNT and earn from it while also using the products of the ecosystem. In my opinion, this is a very profitable model, and judging by how active the presale is, many other investors agree. As for participating in the presale, we can do it directly on the official Snitch website. You can always find the link to the site in the description below this video. By the way, I also left a special promo code in the description, which gives a Christmas bonus to all presale participants. So, after heading to the official website, we immediately see the token purchase panel. It states that the presale will consist of 15 stages, each with a set duration. At each stage, the token price will increase. This means that by stage 15, the price of DSNT will be much higher, and later investors will have far fewer advantages during the listings. Right now, we are only at stage 3, and the price has not risen significantly yet. And if we take into account the additional discount from my promo code during the purchase, the cost becomes even lower. Let's take a closer look at the promo code. As part of its Christmas event, the Snitch team provided me with a unique code that grants you bonus DSNT in amounts of 50% and 100%. The activation requirements are very simple. If we purchase DSNT for $5,000, we receive an additional 100% of tokens on top of our main DSNT balance. And if the purchase amount is $2,000, then the bonus is 50%, which is also very profitable. Keep in mind that after receiving the tokens, we can stake them to further increase our DSNT holdings. Now that we've covered how the promo code works, let's move on to purchasing DSNT. During the presale, the team added several ways to buy tokens, through blockchain payments or with a bank card. If you plan to use crypto, your wallet must contain Ethereum, Solana, or BNB. If you're using a card, you simply need to connect Apple Pay or Google Pay. To start the purchase, we click the Connect Wallet button, then select Buy with Crypto if you're buying with cryptocurrency. After that, all we need to do is choose the token we want to pay with and specify the amount we want to exchange for DSNT. In the final step, we confirm the transaction in the wallet, after which the DSNT tokens will be sent to our account. And right after the purchase, we can stake the tokens by going to the staking section. At the moment, the annual staking yield is 54%, which is more than enough to grow your DSNT holdings before the token enters its listing phase. To stake the tokens, we enter the desired DSNT amount and confirm the transaction, after which the panel will display how many tokens have been successfully staked. On the same page, we can also claim our rewards by opening the Claim section and clicking Claim Rewards so the platform sends the tokens to our account. As you can see, everything is quite simple, and with the Christmas promotion, staking becomes even more profitable. That's why I'll remind you once again that all Snitch links can be found in the description below this video. You'll also find the promo code there, which you can use while the promotion is still active. And that's all the most important information for today. I will definitely continue to follow the development of Deep Snitch and keep you updated on any new changes. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like if the video was helpful, and tell me in the comments which projects you want me to cover in the next videos. Thanks for watching. See you very soon.